Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, or welcome if you're new. My name is Metinee, and today I'm unboxing the Jordan 3 Retro Laser Orange, giving you my thoughts and a few details about the shoe. These dropped on the 21st of August as a women's exclusive. They dropped in sizes 2.5 to 9.5 as usual with Nike's women's drops, and they were £170, which is a lot of money, but it is the general price point for Jordan 3s at the moment. The Jordan 3 originally released in 1988 as the Air Jordan 3. They were the first Jordans to feature visible air and the now iconic elephant print. I was actually never too fussed on the 3s as I always preferred the 4s, but these really stood out to me. I actually won these from Sneakers and Stuff and Size, so I'm selling a pair to a friend because they don't have much resale value at the moment, so I would probably just end up sending them back anyway. I don't know how these have been so easy to cop though. They were sitting on the Sneakers app for a day or two in most sizes, and I was expecting them to be a lot harder to win. I also thought the Japanese denim men's colourway would be more popular. They didn't sell out too quickly either, and I'm seeing them restock a lot. Onto the construction of the shoe. The upper is in a bright white tumbled leather. Then you have the classic elephant print layered around the toe and the heel. The midsole is in white rubber with the addition of the exposed air bubble and finished with a light grey outsole. Finally, it's all topped off with the hits of laser orange on the heel, tongue logo, eyelets, sock liner and Jumpman Air hang tag. The sole is a really cool touch as well, with the Jordan graphic and more accents of laser orange. There's also elastic on the inside of the shoe that holds the tongue close to your ankle. It's also really thick and cushiony, as is the insole, so these are really comfortable to wear. In terms of fit, I think these come a tiny bit small. They are a little bit snug, but they're so comfortable and cushiony that I doubt it's going to cause them to be uncomfortable. I don't think they come small enough to size up unless you're between sizes or prefer a roomy fit though. I do have slightly wide feet, so I tend to notice more when something comes a tiny bit small. The one thing I have already noticed with these after trying them on is that I can already tell they're going to crease a lot. I think that other than the brightly coloured accents, these are going to be really easy to wear with the shape and the white base. I'll probably be styling these with oversized graphic tees or sweatshirts and baggy cropped jeans or joggers. Maybe I'll do a styling video for these when I next have the time. I love the shape, the colours, the fit. I think they look so sick on foot and I can see myself wearing these a lot, so these are definitely a thumbs up from me. Anyways, that's all from me for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and also feel free to check out my Instagram at Metinee Affleck and my blog www.metineeaffleck.co.uk. Thanks so much for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.